Rough. Early lead is taken by Empire Glory from the outside. Westerly Wind, Billionaria on the outside. Lucky Lork, the Surgeon, and Perfect Material is bringing up the rear. Heading for the backstretch, Empire Glory in the lead, followed by Westerly Wind on the inside in second. The Surgeon on the outside. Billionaria, Perfect Material, and Lucky Lork. Into the backstretch, it is still Empire Glory by a length, followed by Westerly Wind in second, and running now in third by Alencanha, Billionaria, the Surgeon, Lucky Lork, and Perfect Material. The mid-back stretch, it is still Empire Glory on the outside, moving up on the inside. Westerly Wind, Billionaria running in third by 3.5 lengths, and Lucky Lork, Perfect Material, the Surgeon. Rounding the far turn, Westerly Wind by the rail on the outside is Empire Glory, and running in third by 3.5 lengths, Billionaria. Lucky Lork moving up on the inside, Perfect Material, and the Surgeon. The last bend for home, Westerly Wind by the rail on the outside is Empire Glory, closing in third is Billionaria. At the top of the stretch, Empire Glory on the outside. It's Empire Glory on the outside, Westerly Wind by the rail, and Billionaria closing in third. Empire Glory, Westerly Wind, Billionaria moving up. It's still Westerly Wind, Empire Glory, Billionaria moving up by the rail. And hitting the payoff line, it's still Westerly Wind, followed by Billionaria. And finally, Westerly Wind, Billionaria, Empire Glory, Lucky Lork, Perfect Material, and the Surgeon.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only